Marhaban, ahlan wa sahlan bikum. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Alawiye. Today's lesson, let's continue learning our vocabulary. We are still using the root letter system. And today's letters are Ha, Dod, and Ra. Hadara, Yahduru, Hudur. And that is verb to attend. Conjugation as usual, shall we? Hadara, he attended. Hadarat, she attended. Hadara, two men attended. Hadarata, two women attended. Hadaru, three or more men attended. Hadarna, three or more women attended. Second person. Hadarta, you male singular attended. Hadarti, you female singular attended. Hadartuma, both of you, whether you are two men or two women, attended. Hadartuma. Hadartum, all of you, three or more of you men, attended. Hadartunna, all of you, three or more of you women, attended. First person, speaker. Hadartu, I attended, and it's gender neutral. Hadarna, we, whether two of us or millions of us, attended, and it's gender neutral. Past tense, done. Present tense. Yahduru, he attends. Tahduru, she attends. Yahdurani, two men attend. Tahdurani, two women attend. Yahduruna, three or more men attend. Yahdurna, three or more women attend. Second person. Tahduru, you male singular attend. Tahdurina, you female singular attend. Tahdurani, both of you, whether you are two men or you are two women, attend. It's the same. Tahdurani. Tahduruna, all of you, three of you or more men attend. Tahdurna, all of you, three or more of you women attend. First person, the speaker. Ahduru, I attend, and it's a gender neutral. Nahduru, we attend, also is gender neutral. All right. Imperative, giving an order. Uhdur, you male singular, attend. That's an instruction. Uhdur. And commanding singular female, you say uhduri, attend. Commanding two men or two women is the same. You say uhdura, uhdura. And commanding plural, masculine, three or more men, you say uhduru. And commanding three or more women, you say uhdurna, attend. Conjugation done. I'm glad. Let's illustrate this with our usual short random sentences, shall we? Let's go for it. هل تحضر دروسي على الشابكة؟ هل تحضر دروسي على الشابكة؟ Do you attend my online lessons? دروسي, my lessons, على الشابكة, online. Speaking to a man, to a woman, you say, هل تحضرين دروسي على الشابكة? Do you attend my online lesson? You can say, نعم, نعم. أحضر الدروس على قناتك بانتظام. نعم, yes. أحضر الدروس. أحضر الدروس. I attend lessons, the lessons. على قناتك, on your channel. بانتظام, regularly. Thank you. شكرا. Next one. The noun will be حضور, and that's mean attendance. It can also mean those who present. For instance, you can say أيها الحضور الكرام. أيها الحضور الكرام. Your respected audience or attendees. أيها الحضور الكرام. Okay. What else? We can use it so we can say شكرا جزيلا على الحضور. شكرا جزيلا على الحضور. Thank you very much for coming. Okay. شكرا جزيلا على الحضور. Another word we can derive from these حضر يحضر is محضر. محضر and plural is محاضر, and that's a minutes of the meeting. محضر. What else can we get? We can get from محضر سجل الحضور. سجل الحضور, and that's the attendance register. The attendance record, if you like. سجل الحضور. Okay. Now, let's move to form 2 of حضر يحضر, and the pattern will be حضر يحضر تحضير, and that means to prepare something. An example, I can say قد حضرت لك طعامك المفضل. قد حضرت لك طعامك المفضل. I have prepared your favorite food for you. طعامك, and that is your food. المفضل, and that's favorite. That's mean preferred. قد حضرت لك طعامك المفضل. Good. Now let's look at form 3 from حضر يحضر, and that is, the pattern is حاضر يحاضر, and that is verb to give lecture. حاضر يحاضر. So I can say أين تحاضر في الوقت الحاضر. أين تحاضر في الوقت الحاضر. Where do you give lecture at the moment, at present? أين, where, تحاضر, you give lecture. في الوقت الحاضر, at the moment. Okay. And then you can say, oh, أتمتع, if you like, بمحاضراتك دائما. أتمتع, that means I enjoy your lecture دائما, always. أتمتع, so I really enjoy بمحاضراتك, your lecture. محاضرة is lecture. You can continue to say أنت محاضر ممتاز. أنت محاضر ممتاز. You are an excellent lecturer. محاضر, male lecturer. Female lecturer will be محاضرة. Okay. What else? Another verb from حضر يحضر is from for. أحضر يحضر. إحضار is the noun. And that's verb to, you can use it to bring, to fetch something. An example, I can say, من فضلك, من فضلك, please, أحضر لي كوبا من الشاي. من فضلك, please, أحضر لي كوبا من الشاي. Please fetch me or bring me a cup of tea, please. من فضلك. Here, another root letter conjugated for you, analyzed for you, and illustrated for you. It's up to you now to make effort to start learning those vocabulary and the phrases and use them. And we get there together, inshallah. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and send the link to those who might be interested, please. And don't forget to please make donation to my charity, Helping Hands for Education.org. Details of how to do that stated below. And thank you so much for some of you who have done so. I'm very grateful. Shukran jazilan. Jazakumullahu khairan. Ahsanallahu ilaykum. See you next time. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.